Lelo ngamoko Noël tanto elle periodiste à le momento nazo présenté bongo émission beau promo binomoko boyebi et émission où ça la cabine promotion. J'invite ou j'informe na motonio stock Hollanda biso et si vous avez besoin d'une promotion mokilito yeba produit na yo et ba oyo salaka, n'hésitez pas contacter biso na ba numéro na oyo ozomona wana. Donc qu'on s'inquiète parce que nous sommes là pour vous faire un bon travail. Et moi Noël tant on yé pour na lobela moi na mobali moko na kombo ya Clinton François Mafuta Nimba. Donc lui il réside avant d'Akana RDCT, il n'a jamais résidé ici à Kinshasa, il est à en Europe, na Grande-Bretagne et azabongo musicien. Oyo que Kamusibiso aza musicien mais c'est quelqu'un où avant na mboka oyo makambo belele kaka surtout maboteli racisme, mais lui il s'est levé pour na ko telemela yango parce qu'alinga injustice te alinga ka tout makambo ba benga injustice te prévenir partout où akendaka bino bobi kuna na Grande-Bretagne ba mboka place mususu ba ville mususu ba noir ba kota te mais il y a kota kena ko prester mais eloko étiquette biso batu ya Botes TV ba Denis Bouene ba Patience Kondolo ba Randi Mangitu Kwa ba Romeo Bis ba Chichon Tambwe. Il est encore jeune, pas même 30 ans, mais il a osé. Il a osé par ses propres moyens. Hein? Nakoloba mingi te bolanda yenano ndinga zayene bolenge nenano ndenge azalaki soirée moko estudiantine. Botala ndenge confrontation na mungele ndenge zalaki kuna na Grande-Bretagne.
I make you fresh. And you is the full name. Vice PIP. Gonna make some heat. Put my super six. That's the way it's some creep. We got Darren. Our student rep always strong. Part rich and I don't struggle to get along and listen. Both forward. Chatting about songs just a little gossiping. Oh my God, got the client. Yes, sweet girl lamb. Khadijah's too smart. You never see her brag. Truth never attempts. What a good lad. Last but not least. Tells a good man, AJU is the form that raised me. I check my tempers, 100 all grades, man. CPK, Clark is one pays, man. I check my bank account and there's about 30. It's part of time, I get wasted. Enjoy that, sit back and embrace it. So let me tell you little something about life. In college, I can't go to come in a map. And it's funny, you're not the people. My bank account was sitting in you know I was on it. Something on me, skipping drops, cause I'm flipping the ball. And my body don't get speed. This nigga's got a treatment time. Playing football with my God, it was the kind of life, broken round, just to go to see my son certified. No one can do something like the earth with a fire. C6, feeling on my face, nothing like I'm asthmatic. The rest of my jaw is nothing, then I took a hat at it. Nobody practice, but then you take a crack at it. Nobody practice, but then you take a crack at it. You never vanish, my antics and cops, I was the maddest. Running off the planet, like Titanic, don't give a fuck, something to my suck. Like you God, they don't think that I never mucked up. Look exactly a millionaire, but far from a slum dog. Hard drop off the streets, I was in the thumb pump. We be jumping in the hatch, like Egypt. In it to win, Christy, there can be on the reach. Call me best, they can car, gotta get that big car. Smash on the flash, put that cash in the shade pop. Oh, yeah, Prestige, come on. Got Kevin on the road with that West Coast beat. Drop the hard with the nigga pussy on the speed. Don't forget myself with it on the flow. I'm great speed. Charlie in trouble during lesson time. It's full bless G. Car the brothers from the Nova Mother. Full bless G. I ain't so good at being here. Like these young MCs. Spot out with the ring in the place. Never leave a drop empty. Yeah. I said I'm out with the back and the mash. In with the cash and the flash and the cash. So just finish and the teacher the one that knows this. always hope it's long, hidden in the university. Business, economics, and finance. It's all about the beyond that in the top. So many facts in the stop. I'm chopping the back, the only pack in the shot. Never going nowhere, never packing my back. The contract, that's without the use of the back. This world's a giant bullshit. It's something extremely wavy. For clarity and popularity, everything is gravy on the rap. Jack running up in the White House. Finishing coding, and this is me, H.A.T.
Bino moko bolandi bo sentir que c'est un jeune où ya tondi sami na talent et na betele no moi histoire moka moke poto kutika bino tokotika bino lisusu na clip ne moko boye asalaki en tout cas clip wana bimisa image à 50 Cent. Moi je tant on a landi yango na tali yango na moni pena que 50 Cent congolais donc en tout cas félicitations à toi l'artiste ozo sala penda ko lembate mais Clinton a botami na famille moko boye papa linga musique mingi. Clinton a yekola jamais lingala, Clinton a yekola jamais français, mais à travers ses parents, Clinton a yebi balangwana nyonso tout. Et Clinton a aza mutu moko boye alingaka mutu fo azala juste. Pe alinga pe dérangement total alinga pe en tout cas yena mindele babe banaka mamotali racisme. Donc c'est quelqu'un que vous devez soutenir, d'abord continuer à soutenir. Et moi je dis merci à son père parce que si c'était pas son père, tu vas te découvrir sa maman. Il est autant comme on était Mama Congo, il y a en Grande-Bretagne, il y a Tanga Congo mais son père c'est papa. Moi je l'appelle Kokontiku. Donc Kokontiku vraiment coup de chapeau na yo ndongo bote biso jeune o aza talentueux et Michel comme na ngona suka mais tokotika no clip na e bo savoir troisième clip na e bo savourer yango. Quant à moi je dois d'abord saluer bato nyonso tunano o botele Michel bo sepeli biso to sala no promotion na pesi bino mbote na ko pesa pe mbote bongo na président Idi Dishweme Bangudi yaza président VIP motema ya mama Élysée Dishweme Mpilo donc kuna na États-Unis na ke kopesa noko diang motema ya mama Ariette Lolia oracle bisou na bébé ordi matumona pe na pesi pe mbote toujours en direct des États-Unis bana noko diang na mama Ariette Lolia et na ke kopesa pe mbote bongo na oyo sala kanga bien Monique Mukazi balobi Monique Mukazi na kati Toronto kuna na Canada na ko pesa pe mbote pa ya docteur Kiapwai na Regina na Canada na ko pesa pe mbote na papa Robert Souraki motema ya mama Lili Bokumba toujours na Canada tobike kala trote ozoya na mboka Donald Trump donc okutana na mfumo wa Kongo mwana mfumo kimbangu bo okutane inakepe ko pesa mbote bongo na mama Florence Bandu la famille d'Iker mama d'honneur bachika yo donc yonde babi moto mususu te po na bataille bongo baju wapi mfumo wa Kongo donc tous allés ensemble na kiko pesa pe mbote bongo na Papi Bata mon ami personnel Papi Bata na Chicago toujours na États-Unis na kepe ko pesa mbote bongo le Playboy de Paris Papi Mukonde asta nazo zelati yo yebi papa na Ayana Mukonde donc maman Nasi Sibo Simba pena libota bien na kepe sa pe mbote bongo na Charlie Matukondolo là c'est ma sœur et mon beau-frère Yala mon conco Blaise donc na kepe sa bona pespe Emmanuel Ephraim Elohim Binotumbote maman Denise Kumbo Koko Matiki Mbuta Mundonga donc Binotubu Simba mwana mama Kongo yowana bimi et soki pe na telemi boye bopesaka toujours merci na mfumo wa Kongo ado panzo mfumo wa Kongo donc yende mutasala pena Noël tanto atelema kitoko Denis Bouena atelema kitoko donc on est vraiment ensemble il y a pas de souci et ngana sisi na émission mais soki bomonenga bopesa merci yazala ka polyvalent quoi ba rejoyer wapi Denis Bouena gina sima caméra pe na réalisation na ye donc merci beaucoup beau savourer clip il y a Clinton François Mafuta Nyima à suivre.
why you look so down, blood?
On the Caribbean, man. It's
Fam, girls are gonna be girls, man. Yeah. At the end of the day, I'm just gonna say, don't let it get you down, fam. Yeah, what you saying? This German club, yeah?
Of course, fam.
The German thing. That's how my niggas strictly pay for all day, innit? GG double S and all of that, get me? But boy, as I said, man, girls are gonna be girls, fam. Let her do her thing. Give yourself a bit of space and time. Then get her, innit? Yeah? So, man, I'm looking on the rebound, my G, yeah?
This is a Cinema Beats production.
She's the kind of girl you would wanna meet. Nice figure, nice smile, sexy and so petite. Yeah, we had a lot of things going for us, but the last few months it just went down the dumps. I really thought we was meant to be. It seemed like the only reason linked was to be. We were dirty in the sheets, I kept it so discreet. Some days she acted like she never wanted me. Her friends kept on talking, I said it wasn't me. They didn't want us together, fuck this jealousy. She started to argue, I said sit down bitch. She slapped my face and said you're on your own, Clint. Normally when she says that she comes back, but tonight she came back and packed up her suit bag. I can't even change her mind, bro. This was the last straw, she said she got to go. Things are getting kinda hectic right now. Don't leave, just stay. I don't even wanna fight no more, baby, it's okay. If you wanna leave, just go. We got our separate ways, but my heart still pains.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
Sitting down on the sofa, start to regret. Calling her them names makes me feel upset. I keep calling her phone, but she just rejects. My friend told me leave her be, don't increase the stress. I just want her back by my side. She was so true to me, she was my ride or die. Now I'm lonely inside because of my pride. Because of her friends, I might cry tonight. She was a part of me, the left side of my heart. We was always close, never apart. Walking down the streets, held hands in the dark. Forever her name engraved in my heart. Now I'm alone, got nowhere to go. I'm stuck in my house, pissed off and it's cold. I just want her back, she replies no. It's gonna be hard, but that's how life goes.
Cinema Beats.
Things are getting kinda hectic right now. Don't leave, just stay. I don't even wanna fight no more, baby, it's okay. If you wanna leave, just go. We got our separate ways, but my heart still pains.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
Tomorrow's production available in today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start making hits.
But my heart still pains, heart still pains.
Cinema Beats.
Things are getting kinda hectic right now. Don't leave, just stay. I don't even wanna fight no more, baby, it's okay. If you wanna leave, just go. We got our separate ways, but my heart still pains.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
I'm not gonna make it. Young SP,
Yeah?
Legacy Studios.
Really know what it is, man.
This song's called My Dreams.
One day I'm gonna make it, I gotta make it to make things alright. I got too many haters, I see you later, you can join the line. I gotta keep going, baby, I'm in my zone, lady, so I don't think twice. As long as the sun keeps shining, it'll all be nice.
When I was a small kid, Daddy told me, work hard and just focus. 10 years later, I'm getting paper. Now I'm riding in the Focus. You can take the fast life, but in my life, I'ma take it real slow like a tortoise. The things that happen in our lives has its own meaning and purpose. If you're a clown, don't associate with me. Just go play in a circus. I'm just a young man called Young SP. Nothing more, nothing less. To get to the top, you gotta climb the ladder and beat the best to become the best.
One day I'm gonna make it, I gotta make it to make things alright. I got too many haters, I see you ladies, you can join the line. I gotta keep going, baby, I'm in my zone, lady, so I don't think twice. As long as the sun keeps shining, it'll all be nice. One day I'm gonna make it, I gotta make it to make things alright.
Am I gonna make it? I keep waiting, I'm just sitting contemplating. It don't even matter anymore, cause all of that stress just brings hesitation. Put your drinks up for a celebration. Knowledge is key, so I keep on elevating. I don't stop, never anticipating. I'm back on fire, it's great, ain't it? I got my wife and kids, it's all amazing. As the years go by, I'll keep aging. But in my mind, I think I'm still cool, man. Big up Legacy, we're off for bang. Big up SP, we're too hot, damn. If you ever need the hand, I said if you ever need the hand, Young SP, you know where I am.
One day I'm gonna make it, I gotta make it to make things alright. I got too many haters, I see you ladies, you can join the line. I gotta keep going, baby, I'm in my zone, lady, so I don't think twice. As long as the sun keeps shining, it'll all be nice.